How to fix TikTok messages not sending and receiving. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TikTok message problem step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. First, check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If the problem continues, check your privacy settings, because TikTok messages only work if both users follow each other. Now, go to TikTok profile and tap on the three dots on the top right. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Direct Messages, and make sure that both of these options are enabled. After that, tap on Permission Settings on the very top. Once there, make sure Potential Connections and Others on TikTok both are set to Requests. Additionally, you can also try and clear your TikTok app cache. This should fix the issue. If the issue still persists, try reinstalling the TikTok app itself. And that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok messages not sending or receiving easily.